Okay, you need to brief your leadership on AI's impact on SEO. Let's get that brief built. First thing to know, the old SEO playbook is pretty much obsolete. Google's AI is just way smarter now. And this isn't some future trend, it's happening right now. We have to think like our customers, not robots.
So, how do we actually win? Here's our game plan to turn this AI shift into a real advantage. A winning strategy is built on 3 core pillars. Let's quickly walk through what they are.
Pillar 1 is all about quality content. AI knows what users actually want. Our content has to deliver that.
Pillar 2, technical health. A slow, clunky site is a killer because Google's AI feels that user frustration.
And Pillar 3 is authority. High-quality links are basically trust signals. They tell Google we're the real deal. Okay, so that's the big picture. Now, how do we actually do it? Here's the actionable plan. This 5-step process is the playbook. It's how we'll get to the top of the rankings and stay there. But does this really work? Let's look at some proof, because the data speaks for itself. We had a client with great content but terrible rankings. AI tools found the culprit, their mobile site speed. And the result after we fixed it? A massive 60% jump in organic traffic. That's a huge win. And that wasn't just traffic. That meant a real surge in customer bookings, all from one technical fix. This chart says it all. Better technical health leads directly to better business results. It really is that simple. Okay, let's wrap with the key takeaways. Here's what your team needs to do and what to avoid. So the 3 big takeaways: create awesome content, keep the site technically perfect, and build real authority. And just as important, here are the common mistakes to avoid. These things can absolutely sink your efforts. From here on out, success is about blending AI insights with solid fundamentals. That's the winning formula. So the big question for the team is this: what's our first move? It's time to put this into action.